Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin collapse. Sir, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're going to talk to you about Bitcoin, what it means for cryptocurrencies, what it means for altcoins, what we believe is about to happen. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Sir, we got a major warning sign all across the board. Let's start with the major warning sign on the dollar. The dollar, this is the US dollar. The US dollar chart. Okay, you got a major warning sign. If you don't watch the macro and you trade in crypto, it's not good. Not good. You need to watch the macro because the dollar was the predictor of the bull run since October, since middle of October. Once it topped out, it predicted the bull market. We went balls deep on cryptocurrencies, made significant money all the way down here. Now, look what the dollar is doing. The dollar is flipping, it's bouncing from the lows, and it's attempting a breakout now of the downtrend. Okay, if it start taking the 103, 104, big problem for cryptocurrencies, and you can see what's happening. Okay, look at the S&P pushing down. S&P is pushing down. You get major warnings on Apple getting wrecked. You can see gap down on Apple. Man, the dollar go up. You need to be defense. Play defense, sir. Always play defense. Subscribe to a trading community that tell you about this stuff, because if you're just a moon boy following the coin market cap, you will never see this kind of information before it happens. You will see it maybe later and probably not. So look, S&P, Nasdaq, Apple, everything is dumping. Now let's look on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, very bearish behavior. Very bearish behavior. We had a pump. Look at this. This is a very bearish behavior for Bitcoin. You broke out of the range and you came back down. This, we called it fake out. You can call it head fake, bull trap, and whatever you want to call it. Bitcoin loves to do this stuff. Okay, it loves it. It just have to manipulate because it's a big pump and dump. Now look, we getting the divergence already from October. From the beginning of October, you had the divergence here. Sorry, beginning of November, you have the divergence, and it was just ticking time bomb, and now you broke, and you tick down. Okay, you tick down. You had quadruple bearish divergence here on Bitcoin. At some point, it's gonna play out. Okay, if you wanna look to the other direction, just like and just ignore it, okay. You can hodl through the storm, you can hodl through that. But if you're a smart trader and investor, in this kind of situation, what you do is that, first of all, you liquidate all the rubbish altcoins, because altcoins gonna get destroyed. Altcoins going to Rekt City. If we get in a correction now, altcoins are going to correct City. They're going to correct 60, 80, 90% even from the recent highs. Okay, if you've been trading crypto for the last 4-7 years, you know that's the case. First thing, get rid of the high risk coins. Second, if you hodl position for long term, take some profit. If you're up 5x, 10x, 20x, take profits, man. Take profit. You're here for the money. You're here for the money, not for the fluff and for the moon boy and for the moon boy that talks from the garage or from the kitchen or supporting him. No. Be smart, sir. Take your money. Take your money. And move into cash. Have a lot of cash, because you can get a correction, and a correction means dollars. If you survive in the correction and you invest in the right coins in the corrections, you're going to make the biggest amount of money now in 2024, because this is a blessing in disguise. Babies, cry babies, moon boys, they cry on the corrections. Smart people take profits and wait. Correction, flash them all out, flash all the moon boys, and then you buy the dip on the biggest bangers of cryptocurrencies. And then you ride it to the moon in 2024, to the halving, and so on and so on. So, look, we're expecting a correction in the community. We've already been expecting a correction since we topped here. Okay, we're expecting a correction. Obviously, we're trading. We're always trading, taking trades, but we trade with stops. At the moment, we got stopped out. No positions. We actually took a short in Ethereum. This is actually a good time to join our community if you want to take some shorts. Probably going to short some coins if we're going to get a bloodbath. And we are expecting a move down on Bitcoin. Look, this this sell-off already tested the 50-day MA. You might bounce from it. You might bounce from it. You might even retest the highs. You might even take the highs. But the writing is on the wall. The writing is on the wall. We're expecting correction or a big pullback now. Or a big pullback now to the 32s, to the 33s. Or a correction that will last for a couple of weeks, maybe couple of months even. Definitely in altcoins. Bitcoin can do a fast correction and then the best coins maybe will recover with it and moon. But the rest of the coins, man, Rekt City, man, total loss, total Rekt Cities. They're going like carnage, man, carnage. Carnage. If you're new in crypto and you just joined in 2023, wait, sir, wait and see. Wait and see. At some point, you're gonna see a very horrific correction in the coins you hold. That's the truth, man. That's the truth. There is no reason to panic. Ignore accept the truth. Learn from it. Learn from the chart. Be a stoic. Crypto trader need to be a stoic, man. Stoic, not a little girl with you know, long hair. Okay, you need to be oriented. Okay, on the reality. What's happened? What's happened? Ignore the moon boys, man. Ignore the moon boys. They're gonna get you wrecked, man. Sorry if you're still watching, like the video. All right, so pretty much, we're looking for a correction now in the next couple of weeks on Bitcoin and a Rekt City for altcoins. Now let's look on Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, look at the bounce. Bitcoin dominance on the last couple of days, it bounced from the 200-day MA. It's probably, again, it's probably gonna continue going up because probably if Bitcoin will continue selling off, people would dump their altcoins much faster than they dump in their Bitcoins. Overall. Okay. Bitcoin dominance. What else we can share with you? Let's look on USDT dominance. Probably broke out. Look at it. Look at the breakout of the USDT dominance. Boom. Tested the 50-day. It's trying to break out of this falling wedge again. The USDT dominance is trying to break out and the dollar is trying to break out. This is major warning sign. Major warning sign. Look at the VIX. VIX is preparing for a reversal here. VIX is forming a reversal, man. If the VIX gonna pump, stock market gonna collapse, and Bitcoin will go to Rekt City with the stock market and everything. They go all together, man. They all go together. And maybe you gotta get a lagging effect, couple of days, but they all going to Rekt City if the dollar is going to pump. All right, sir. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Sir, this is the time you want to join our community. Now, we take a little short here and there, but we're mainly in cash, and we are waiting to buy the dip. We have dip buy orders for Kaspa, for Bitcoin, and we're going to probably buy much more coins after we see them forming some kind of a bottom or, you know, getting wrecked completely. That's the plan now. If you want to join our community, sir, we do market updates every day. Everyday market updates, all the coins we're going to invest now in the correction, everything you need to know. We have trading lessons. If you want to go short, we teach you how to short. Anything you need. If you're brand new, join VIP, join us in the VIP community. See you in the next video. Cheers.